the TTD Bhakti channel, and both of these people are really good enough in making our Jaganji a good understanding person so far as the right things are concerned. Whatever the society needs in terms of dharma and practices, they keep give those things to the society. We know Sriman Jaganji, and also we know his beloved father, Sriman Rajshekar Reddy Garu also. Subba Reddy Garu, of course, we are not much aware, but we know Swarnamma Garu. Because it is she who brought Sriman Rajshekar Reddy Garu before he became the Chief Minister of the then Andhra Pradesh combined state. Their intention is that any ruler should have the concern of all sections of the society and treat all of them equally, protecting their own rights and making them understand each other and give respect to each other. That's the reason that she brought, and she then told also, Swamiji, వీళ్ళు చాలా మంచోళ్ళండి, కానీ పాపం వీళ్ళకి ఏం చేయాలి అనేది చెప్పాలి స్వామి, మీరు చెప్పండి, నేను కూడా చెప్తాను స్వామి. That was her concern, in those days. And we are very, very happy that they, in spite of power in hand, are able to accept the guidance provided by elderly people like Sriman Subba Reddy Garu and Swarnamma. This is a very, very important thing that we need to understand. Education, thank you. Education, money, age, and power. These are the things. Never allow guidance from others. Never accept guidance from others. When everything of these things are at one place, with Sriman Jaganji, he is a young boy. Am I right or wrong? And of course, for wealth, they are well off. Education, good education is there. Power, he is the chief minister of a state. All the four are at one place, then we can understand where the ice will be. But Sriman Jaganji is so nice and very humble, and he is always accepts the suggestions and the guidance from elderly people, and he puts all his efforts in translating those suggestions into reality. We offer so many Mangala Sassanams, Sriman Jaganji, for your that a kind of good attitude, and we are sure that you grow well and serve the people all the times. God bless you. And we offer Mangala Sassanams, Sriman Subba Reddy Garu and Swarnamma also, for providing wonderful advices and also taking care of Lord Sri Venkateshwara, because he is the chairman of TTD. Of course, our Dr. Rameshwar Rao Garu also is one of the board members. And another person is behind us, Sriman Bhaskar Reddy, whom we are all seeing since 1.5 months' time, since Sankranti, before Sankranti also. He also is here because Sriman Jaganji, when he knew about this event, he gave all sorts of freedom to Sriman Bhaskar Reddy Garu and say, Manchiga chodavaya. And took that word as an inspiration. And Sriman Bhaskar Reddy Garu is here and organizing the things so well, spending his own money and making so many, I think probably you might have seen the decorations of flowers, decorations with the fruits, decorations with so many things. All this is what he is doing. The only reason why he is doing, when I asked him, hey, why you are spending this much of things, on these decorations? He said, no. My boss said, no, do well. That's all my inspiration and I do it. Swami, you need not worry anything about it. I am very much committed and I do this. I was so surprised to see his commitment and Jaganji's encouragement for such kind of activities. So I request Sriman Rameshwara Garu to honor Sriman Subbareddy Garu, the chairman of TTD, and also our Endowments Minister of Andhra Pradesh, Sriman Srinivasji is also here. We offer to accept this memento, and also Sriman Deputy Speaker of Andhra Pradesh, Sriman Ponna Raghupati Garu, to accept a humble honor memento from Dr. Rameshwar Rao ji. And of course, I request Sriman Bhaskar Reddy Garu also. No, I am not sending you. Still the program is here. Goda Devi is a lady, lived 5,000 years before. And she is considered by all the Vaishnavas as equal to God. That means women empowerment among the Vaishnavas is since thousands of years. Of course, the Veda taught that. And she says with the god of rain, hey, Vanadeva, you give beautiful water. You know why? Because your boss is also coming along with us to take shower. If you provide that, then we will tell to your boss that how wonderful you are serving to the people. So do it with joy. So our Bhaskar Reddy Garu is really doing the whole activity with joy. So now, as a part of our activity, we are conducting beautiful activities here from the dais to the masses. Every day evening we are having one cultural activity also, along with other messages from the elite, from the dignitaries, and also from scholars. And also few cultural activities also we clubbed along with it. As a part of that, today, Sriman Rakesh Chaurasia, who is master in flute, and Shashank Subramanyam, and with their teams are presenting one Yugalbandi. Jugalbandi they call it. And we asked Sriman Jaganji, are you interested in this kind of things? He said, of course, why not? So he will be here just for a 5 minutes time to witness that beautiful cultural presentation, and then he will be giving a small tour through the program, through our project, and then he will be joining us again at the 3D projection mapping presentation and then at Purnavati. So we request Sriman Jaganji and the team to be seated just in front of us there. Jai Shriman Narayana.